If you have a headache, most people think the brain itself hurts, but that's not true. The brain has no pain receptors. The pain comes from blood vessels, nerves, and muscles around your head and neck. Here's what might be causing your headache. 1. Tension headaches, caused by stress, poor posture, or dehydration. Tight muscles in the neck and scalp put pressure on nerves, leading to a dull, squeezing pain around your head. 2. Migraines, triggered by hormonal changes, certain foods, or lack of sleep. Blood vessels in the brain expand and irritate surrounding nerves, causing severe throbbing pain, nausea, and light sensitivity. 3. Sinus headaches result from inflammation in your sinuses due to allergies or infections. This creates pressure in the forehead, cheeks, and around the eyes, often worsening when you bend forward. 4. Cluster headaches, caused by abnormal activity in the brain's hypothalamus, affecting your body's sleep-wake cycle. These bring sudden, severe pain around one eye, often with tearing or nasal congestion. Share this video to someone who needs to know this.